Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing of the Horus Heresy playing cards. These were released in 2019, probably because the start of the Siege of Terra series of books. So you can still get them directly from Games Workshop. But they will cost you 10 euros if you are from Europe. If you are from UK, then you will pay £8, 12.50 from US, 16 Canadian and 20 Australian dollars. This is the packaging. Here we have Horus and this is probably Limenras. Yes, it should be Limenras. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay. So the art is by Neil Roberts and Phil Sebring. And this should be the art that is well known from the books. So here's Melchador, the Sigillite. This looks like somebody from the Emperor's Children. Vulcan, Assassin. Here's Limenras with a better pose from Burning of Prospero art book or art cover from the book. This is probably Angron. Some random legionnaire from probably Horus Rising. Mortarian. Okay, here's some demon. Olga Warbeck, maybe. Possessed. Legionnaire. Wordbearer. And a custodian guard. Corax, he's beautiful. Picture from the book Corax. Tank, so a Lunar Wolf, Captain of a Legionnaire. Another Corax, Dark Angel, Horse. The War Master himself after his fall. And here he is before from cover. This should be depicting his fight with the Emperor on Olinor, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, what is this? This is probably, again, maybe Angron, I would say. Titan. Imperial Fist from Book Pharos, if I'm mistaken. Again, Vulcan. Another Salamander. The Unremembered Empire book cover. Robotic Illiman and Sanguinius. Magnus the Red, Fulgrim and Horus on the Triumph of Olinor. Vulcan again. The place. This is I'm not remembering the book name, but these are the Thunder Warriors and maybe some Astropath, Navigator, another probably Emperor class Titan. This is the Iron Hands. Iron Hands, Fulgrim after his apotheosis or ascension to demonhood with Horus. White Scar. This looks like their librarian. This look like a demon and Jacket Icon. Primarch of the White Scars. Perturabo. The Emperor himself. From A Master of Mankind. A really good book. The cover of the book Legion. This is the I would say Alpha Legion. Legionnaire there. Thousand Sons. Magnus the Red. Rogel Dorn. From one of the latest books. From Horus Heresy, of course. Sanguinius. And here should be Robotic Gilman and Lionel Johnson. Some Legionnaire. Thousand Sun and Gold Eater. Horus. Robuti, or maybe another. I don't know. Maybe Robuti Gilman or another Ultramarine. And here we have Conrad Kurz and Lionel Johnson. A big clash. Yes, this is probably from Betrayal of Calf. I don't know. This should be the Flight of Eisenstein book cover. So Death Guard. And here is Alfarius with Rogel Dorn. And this should be Kabenda, a greater demon of Khorne, Bloodthirster, fighting with Sanguinius. Epic fight. Some Skitari, Gero, Jackadakan, the Archangels, and here is the split of the box art. So this is Wolfsbane. Wolfsbane is the book, and I don't know what is. So Legionnaires fighting. Okay. So if you like to play poker, then you can go and buy this this set. You will get a 54 cards, nice art. Something new. I don't know if last year or 2 years. 2 years before they have released a postcard set, which I still have and I still did not open. Maybe I will do it in a follow-up video. Okay, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested, just let me know. Thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then consider subscribing. I am trying to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly gear, knife related, but of course I do love the hobby, so miniature paintings and collecting Warhammer stuff. So I will try to produce more videos, so if you're interested, then stay tuned. Okay, and as always, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.